मोक्ष की धारणा भारत में ही पैदा हुई है, क्योंकि परमात्मा से मुक्त होने की धारणा भी भारत में ही पैदा हुई है। संसार से मुक्त होना धर्म का पहला कदम है, धर्म से भी मुक्त हो जाना धर्म का आखिरी कदम है। धर्म जब तक धर्म के भी पार ना ले जाए तब तक एक नया बंधन हो जाता है और दुनिया के लोग परमात्मा पे ही अटक जाते हैं। बट कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो पैदा आज़ाद होते हैं और दुनिया उन पे बंदिश डालती है। आज जो हमारी गेस्ट हैं वो एक ऐसी ही शख्सियत हैं, एक नायाब हीरा, कोहिनूर।
Rani Kohinoor.
Rani Kohinoor.
Let's welcome Rani Kohinoor in the
Thank
Loveliness
you.
Studios.
I am so happy to be here and on this beautiful couch with such divine feminine energy, and I just want to say thank you.
Meri love lingo, love lingo, love lingo. Sunni meri tu love lingo.
Rani, we're in the month of June.
Yes.
We are in the Pride month. And imagine you sitting right here. We've kickstarted the month with you.
We're blessed.
Timing, we're blessed. Totally, we're blessed.
No, I consider it my pleasure completely.
And because it's Pride month, the conversation is usually about identity. I would love to talk about peace. I feel the entire idea of any human being to have a transition story doesn't matter from one gender to the other or
Right.
whatsoever it is. It's a transition, right? What does being comfortable in your skin feel like?
I think it's the most empowering, it's the most joyful gift that you can give to yourself. I think when you shed all your inhibitions for yourself, not to please anyone else. Can I please say that you don't have to be out of the closet? I feel it's absolutely terrorizing when people who are in positions of power expect everybody should be out because they are out. You don't know what people are going through. It could affect their livelihood. It could affect their lives. Forget livelihood, their lives. So there is a process. And yes, our job as out and proud queer people, our pride should be that we are laying a foundation and opening doors for them to make it easier for them to come out.
Wow, building blocks.
Exactly. Building a nice base so that they can come today and walk this earth freely. Because why do you think a person will choose not to live their reality? Do you think it's a choice that they're making with happiness? No, obviously they're making it because
I understand
there
it's
is some sort
easier
of
said-
stigma.
Yeah,
It's very easier said than done.
done, right.
There are people who attack people for not coming out.
I'll tell you something. So this guy, this is something that happens a lot. People ask gay people or people from the community, "Hey, so when did you realize you were gay?" You know what? You should ask them back. Hey, when did you realize you were straight?
Yeah.
It's like it is what it is. They don't get it.
Yeah.
They just don't get it.
Yeah.
Like it's not a choice.
Yeah.
It's
It's just part of you.
It's a part of you.
I feel we'll get there. We're also evolving
It's a
as human
process,
beings. It's
I
a
think.
process.
But see what I get
We will get
also.
there as
Yeah,
well.
Yeah.
Right
I
now,
get what you're saying
yeah.
is because if we were left with no and I always go to this whole thing which geopolitics की आड़ में ये लोग बच्चों को मार रहे हैं, इनको कर रहे हैं,
सेक्स ट्रैफिकिंग कर रहे हैं.
सेक्स ट्रैफिकिंग
Yes.
कर रहे
मेरे
हैं,
ख्याल से ये
मैरिटल
बहुत-
रेप कर रहे हैं,
मैरिटल रेप जस्ट
बाकायदा मैरिटल रेप कर रहे हैं और कहते हैं कि ये मैरिटल रेप नहीं होता. तो ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ के ऊपर अगर आप मर्दों को बिठा के, अगर मेरे जेंडर के लिए आप मर्द डॉक्टर को बिठा के बताएंगे, मैं उनको नहीं पूछ रही कि आप मर्द हैं, मुझे बताइए आप मर्द हैं,
दिखाइए.
आप डॉक्टर हैं ना. अब एज अ ट्रांसजेंडर पर्सन मैं किसका कौन छीन के खा रही हूँ. मैं तो अपना कमा के खा रही हूँ. सो माई थिंग इज आई गेट वेयर शी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम, वेयर शी इज सेइंग दैट इफ इट वाज लेफ्ट टू पीपल not to be taught misogyny, not to be taught homophobia.
patriarchy or homophobia.
See, when a child is born, a child is happy. A child is playing with everyone.
Yeah.
In a garden, you will not see a child wants to play with another child. And I'll tell you one thing in psychology. They say that, people who keep on attacking somebody is actually like that.
Yeah.
तो जो भी हमारे हिजड़ापे पे, हमारे ट्रांसनेस पे, हमारे किन्नर होने पे या हमारे
100
नॉन
पे
बाइनरी होने पे, गे होने पे, लेस्बियन होने पे क्वेश्चन करते हैं ना,
मैं
आप भी हैं,
बस
आप भी हैं,
आप
करो,
भी
कमेंट करो
हैं।
एंड रिवील योरसेल्फ। मैं तो कहती हूँ आप है ना,
हाँ।
पता चल जाता है। So now you comment and tell us, you're too interested now. What is there? What is there? I know, we know now. Come. We're all inclusive. You're the plus, a plus.
Has Pride Month become more of a corporate parade where these capitalist scavengers want your pink dollars and that's it? Has it become that?
I have a.
Why just a month?
Yeah, that 100%. I have a reaction to this, which might not go down well with people. But I want to say to every queer person out there that if they want you to run their shops, take their money and run. The consolation prize is what? The money that you get out of that.
Oh.
Okay? You take that and give it to the needy, the people who need. That will empower them. But you should also understand that handing over just one check is not empowering.
No.
You need to have the representation from there, whether it's in policy making, whether it's in healthcare, whether it is in your boardrooms that you're making these fancy this thing. You need women, you need Dalit women, you need trans women, you need
Even the judiciary, you can't. A panel of men cannot make
decide.
about a woman's body, and
No.
that's been happening for too long. Even rape
Absolutely.
is decided by a panel of men who are all judges. And what a woman is going through, how the hell?
So now tell me now, and you see the intersections within the
Yeah, I
community.
do.
In the community, so now you could be a woman, you could be a oh my gosh, I'm trembling. You could be an intersex, you could be a transgender man, and you could also then now the next intersection, you're also Dalit.
Oof.
You're also from a tier 3 town. You do see how much? And when people say that no, we should not talk about, what are you talking?
ये तो इनके CSR में निकलता है ना, so it's really easy for them to do what
You have to talk about, you have to put them in the front. आप कितना पैसा खाओगे? Another alternative theory is that nobody is questioning your where you come from. There are a lot of people saying, talk to me and say that हम क्या करें, हम पैदा ब्राह्मण हुए हैं. बिल्कुल कोई नहीं बोल रहा है यार.
जब तक हिंदुस्तान में casteism होगा तब तक मेरे ख्याल से तो बहुत.
आप मुझे बताइए एक्टिविज्म क्यों होता है? अभी उठ के कोई सुबह तो अपने दांत घिसेंगे, ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, स्नान करेंगे, ऑफिस जाएंगे, दफ्तर में काम करने जाएंगे ना. आपको क्यों लगता है ये सारे लोग जो क्रांतिकारी हैं वो सुबह उठ के क्रांति क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि आपने उनको इतना दबाया हुआ है ना. Activism is a result of oppression.
Absolutely.
It's not our favorite time pass.
Makes so much sense. And this is in a country like India.
You want to do this? You want to do this? चल हम करते हैं. बट मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि जो मेडिकल बोर्ड जो मुझे एग्जामिन करेगा ना, मैं उनको ये भी बोलना चाहूंगी,
तुम नंगे बैठो.
आप मुझे पहले प्रूव करके दिखाइए कि आप औरत हैं.
हाँ, सही है.
अब उसके लिए मेडिकल बोर्ड बैठाइए. आप मर्द हैं. और ट्रांसजेंडर डॉक्टर्स क्यों नहीं है?
क्यों नहीं है? उनके representation
क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि आपने पढ़ाया लिखाया कहाँ है हमें? कहाँ लिखाया है? सोसाइटी हमें फेंकती है बाहर. ठीक है, अब हम लोग बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है हम ट्रांसजेंडर हैं, ठीक है आप हमको सिर्फ वो आइडेंटिटी कार्ड दे दीजिए, हम ठीक है हम लोग अपना देख लेंगे. एनीवे आप लोग हमको देखते हैं नहीं. ये सब बकवास बना के आप जो सोशल जस्टिस मिनिस्ट्री को मिलती हैं पैसे, कहाँ जा रहे हैं वो? ना आपने चाइल्ड राइट्स इंप्रूव किए हैं, ना हमारी बेटियां सुरक्षित हैं.
रेप रैम्पेंट रेप इन इंडिया. मतलब पास टाइम है लोगों का, मर्दों का. तो
आपके हिसाब से जो मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटीज हैं होनी चाहिए वो क्या है? सेक्सुअल माइनॉरिटीज हो गई, जेंडर माइनॉरिटीज हो गई, कास्ट माइनॉरिटीज हो गई. ठीक है, फिजिकल जो माइनॉरिटी में आते हैं, जो फिजिकली जो डिसेबिलिटीज होती हैं उन्हें, ये सारे हो गए माइनॉरिटीज में. कहाँ? कितने आपके गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस में हर जगह रैंप एक्सेसिबल है? आपने कैसे ये ग्रांटेड ले लिया है कि सब लोग पैर पे चल के आएंगे? क्या वो आप रेंगते आएंगे आपके हॉस्पिटल में? क्या बकवास करते हैं ये लोग? और हम लोग टैक्स क्यों भरते हैं? आई एम क्वेश्चनिंग governance and I have all the rights
All the
to
right
do it.
in a democracy to do
क्योंकि
that.
जब भी वोट मांगने को सब लोग आते हैं भीख मंगे
Yeah.
हमसे वोट मांगने के लिए कहाँ से उपस्थिति अरे यहाँ से एक पॉलिटिशियन आ गए इधर से दूसरा आ गया दूसरे गली में से बट वो गली जस्ट बिफोर इलेक्शंस वो गली सडनली मैजिकली बन जाती है इतने साल हम रो रो के खड्डों में गिर गिर के
Yeah.
हाँ आप वो खड्डे भरिए मेरे शरीर में जो खड्डे हैं आपको उससे क्या लेना देना तो आप बैठ के किसी की चापलूसी कर सकते हो आप चाटो उनका बट मुझे मत बोलो कि हमको कैसा करना है
Right.
because I am not supporting a party or another. I am supporting I'm withholding and I will always withhold the integrity of my community. With the way I sit, with the way I talk, with the way I present myself. आपके जैसे मैं बिल्कुल ही जैसे दुर्दशा बना के रखी है लोगों ने इस देश की ठीक है आपके जैसे हम बात कर सकते हैं बट इफ यू हैव टू सिट एट द टेबल विद मी यू विल नॉट लास्ट अ मिनट
Yeah.
because it needs intellect and with an IQ lower than room temperature I do not want to don't want to indulge I will not indulge
Yeah.
so you make the choice
For all the beautiful people out there who are easily offended, be offended. I don't give a fuck. No one gives a fuck. Be offended. Tell me why you're offended. Or the fuck, I don't even want to know why you're offended. Let the message be loud and clear. We're all allies.
Why do you think people care so much about what other people think of you?
when someone doesn't see that in the mirror for themselves is when they question it in others
What a beautiful way to just
and I
put
just
it
think
together.
that when we have so much love to give I'd rather do that than concentrate on what's not happening or what's not good I'm like what's good keep it moving and so that's what I have to say about people that are so stuck in this rut where they're constantly spreading hate in a world where there are children dying there's our environment is dying steadily and hastily and just because of some men's egos and I just think that it's a party that I am glad that I'm not invited to and it's a table that I will never be seen at so so if you see the beauty in our journeys in around us then that means it's because you see the beauty in you
And that's what it all comes to, right?
absolutely
Everything comes to that. The relationships you have, the people you love, the people you don't love is because there is something that you see a lack in yourself.
Projection?
yes yes as a psychologist I can say it's
Yes.
displacement also it's
Displacement.
projection is displacement
And it's a defense mechanism as well, right? It's like
Absolutely.
everything. You can put it all
It
together.
is because it's also, I have seen people mirror energies, aura.
Yes.
Like I have only learned, and I have to tell you, even vicariously so, from fantastic, exemplary artists, exemplary women, men. Let me say, men are fantastic
Yes.
also. So this, it's not about us bashing, just getting together and bashing men. I don't like that. And I can be very affirmative when I say this is because I was one, darling. So I've played both sides and I can say that there are wonderful men. When you see so much happening around you and then you've learned from so many people and so many experiences, I just think you take and imbibe as much as you can because then you have a plethora of experiences that you can then pass on. And that is, I think, a generational heirloom that I would like to pass on is kindness. And I think it's just also just let the person, I don't think you should hurry anybody up and say that just because मैं ऐसी हूँ तो आपको ऐसा होना पड़ेगा. So even when it comes to activism, when we go on the streets to ask for rights, which is very dichotomous in a democracy to say even that we're fighting for equal rights. एक बात होती है कि हमको क्रांतिकारी बनने की कोई चाह नहीं है, हमको मजबूरी है क्योंकि हमें अलग किया गया है. All 5 fingers make a fist, and the effect of a fist with all 5 fingers is much stronger. So I think all 5 fingers, just like they're not the same in our community with this LGBTQIA plus, and now we put a plus because there are so many denominations and we accept and love all of them.
spectrum
Acknowledge
of-
it's a spectrum.
Yeah.
Similarly, in society, I think it's a spectrum of people that you come across. And maybe today they don't, because I've had wonderful experiences where I have performed on the outskirts of states and towns that one may not even know how to pronounce, but they are also realities. And I've gone there to perform, and you would believe there are जो सरपंच होते हैं, the head of the panchayats and all of that, they come to me and they say that, we want to apologize to you because we've not been very kind to your community.
Oh,
Wow.
a sarpanch said that.
Not one, many. And because I do go to smaller towns to spread my activism is my existence. My unabashed, unfiltered, and authentic existence and representation of me. So when I put myself on stage, that is my activism.
What do you think is worse? People judging you or people misunderstanding you?
Worse, though, I will not compete because both of them are bottom of the barrel for me. The worst is when you let that affect you.
Sahi baat hai.
I just believe that anybody else's narratives about you should not ever waver your own reality. Like, you might think I'm something, but I know what I am, no? So you can say something, you can understand something about me, she will feel something about me, but I know who I am. My performance is only on stage, not in real life. So मैं ये perform कर ही नहीं सकती. तो आपको लुभाने के लिए, आपको बहला फुसला के मैं ऐसे करके फिर मैं आपको ऐसे करके मैं नहीं कर सकती. वो मेरे कैरेक्टर्स पे करूंगी ना मैं.
Do you think that people accept you in front of you and they make fun of you behind your back?
What people speak behind my back. But there are people that will also protect your integrity and dignity when you're not in that room. And those are your people.
Those are your people.
Those are your ride or die. And then there will be people that will start rumor, and a rumor does nothing to you unless you take it on you and you embrace it and feel bad about it. I would like to say that, to people, of course there are people that speak bad about me, ill about me in rooms I'm not a part of. And I feel that if my existence or my work even entertains you when I'm not around you, then, darling, you're a fan. You're a fan. Please consume more of my content. You're paying my bills. You're indirectly paying my bills. Honey, get the traction. Get it, girl.
Yeah, good one. Yeah.
Yes, because she has been able to travel the world because of you and your gossip. Do it. Do it some more. Free का PR है ना, करो ना सर. मुझे तो पैसे भी नहीं देने पर 25,000 देने भी नहीं पड़ेंगे. करो, बात करते रहो. My thing is, that is another thing I learned from Rakhi Sawant.
I love her.
She is like, a lot of people have very mixed opinions about her. I'm like, it's been over 3 decades.
Acha?
Over 3 decades that Rakhi has been part of the entertainment industry and is still relevant. And everybody knows a Rakhi. But there are certain movies in which she's just done a song of which there might have been an actress that we have forgotten and don't talk about
remember
anymore.
her.
But we know her, we remember her. And I'll tell you another thing. As a dancer, she's one of the most wonderful dancers and artists. But उसको एक हद के बाद उसको काम मिलना बंद कर दिया ना, उसको काम लेना बंद कर दिया. So how she stays relevant is on her. When men do the same thing, it's not considered so sensational. But if a woman has to do something like this, or she has to speak about something very freely about her surgeries, for example, when she came out and said, जो डॉक्टर नहीं देता है, जो भगवान नहीं देता, मेरे डॉक्टर ने दे दिया. तो मेरे लिए डॉक्टर ही भगवान है. I love her.
I love her too.
I love it. And she was like, wait for a couple of years. Everybody from Miss India to Miss World to Miss Universe has done it. You'll get to know. But जब भी राखी सावंत करती है, आपको हेडलाइन बनाइए. बनाओ. मेरे बारे में बात करते रहिए. I love that. I think it's just it's also a life lesson. It's like, okay. So after a point, yes, and you think she doesn't know people who talk
Oh, yes, of course.
about her. But
And you've said it about Rakhi Sawant, that she is an icon for the trans community. She is an ally.
absolutely.
But what is it about Rakhi Sawant that people often miss?
The humane aspect of her, that she's also somebody who just wants love. And she's just, why do we see her only as a machine, like, which will only give you content? Now, too, whatever she says is hilarious. And it's just like cemented in our minds.
Yeah.
Whatever she says.
And it's
No,
so relevant.
she's
It's
relevant.
not like she's saying some absurdist thing.
She's talking about pertinent issues, but yes, maybe it might not, match your palette of with the choice of words.
Yeah.
But she's always making sense. Like somehow
People
or
think
the
it's
other.
crude, but I think it's again unabashed.
Yeah,
That's Rakhi Sawant. You're not going to see another Rakhi Sawant.
And she's one of the only performers on screen for whom Shreya has also sung. गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं छोरी छोरी चुप चुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा. And then Sunidhi is also sung for her.
Like, वो
टुक
कौन सा
टुक
गाना था?
देखे पल पल देखे देखे आंखें फाड़ के
Ah.
दूर दूर से घूर घूर के करे नजरिया वार के अरे ये तो बता देखता है तू क्या. So there are so many songs she's actually performed as a performer. आप उसके बारे में बात ना करके आप अगर उसके बदन को आपने सेक्सुअलाइज किया है, एक औरत के बदन को आपने सेक्सुअलाइज करके उसको आपने वो प्रमोट गलत तरीके से किया है, तो शी इज मोनेटाइजिंग इट. वो क्यों?
Why not? Why not? Who's going to pay her bills?
Girls, I have to tell you all, I have learned from people like her that there will be a lot of people that will talk behind you, but there is a reason they'll talk behind you because they're behind you.
Yeah. ये बोला. Nice. Wow.
So true.
Do you think that a trans woman has the lived experience of a man?
This is a multifaceted, or
Yeah.
it's a very subjective experience, I have to say, because I'll tell you a beautiful story, what my mother told me, okay, for my first film. Now, I had not expected that I will be the first trans person to sing sing one of the most iconic 90s songs, to recreate it with one of the most versatile, iconic singers that this land has seen in Sunidhi Chauhan. I never knew that I would be on this mic and she'd be on that mic and singing together and joining notes and sort of creating an iconic song again, like recreating an iconic song, let me say. But I also didn't know that, I would be the first trans person to put drag as a performance art, to be taken seriously in the mainstream. I didn't know I would be the first person of trans experience to play a cishet man romancing a woman.
When was...
For thank you for coming.
Oh, yeah.
So when I did this and I came back, I was very dysphoric because उन्होंने कहा कि आपको मर्द का कैरेक्टर प्ले करना पड़ेगा, फिर हम आपको एज अ प्री-ट्रांजिशनड ट्रांस वुमन दिखाएंगे इन ड्रैग, फिर उसके बाद आपको ये भी दिखाएंगे कि अब आपको वापस जाना है आपके माता पिता के पास, तो वो आप फ्लाइट पकड़ के कैसे वो नेविगेट कर रहे हैं इन द फिल्म. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुली शोन. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यार अब इतने साल एज अ बॉय रह के मैंने अपने जो अंदर की डीवा है उसको दबा के रखी हूँ. अब आई हैव टू रीविजिट दैट बॉय. I said, this is going to be tough. So I came back home and I was just like, not myself. You know how when you're not yourself and your mother sniffs it on you? And my mother just came very nonchalantly. You know how our mothers, kya hai? Like, kya ho gaya? I'm like, mommy. So my director and actually my, the workshop that I was doing with this wonderful person, I don't know whether they would like to be named, so I'm not naming them. Wonderful, wonderful acting coach. And he told me, aapko, you will have to reference that machismo boy, and when I saw that intensity in him, I was like, वरना वो भी फूल जैसी कली जैसी बड़ी ऐसे लहराती हुई, he is like that. When he changed, I was like, wow, love that.
Yeah.
So he was like, as soon as in that moment I saw that, and I was like, oh shit, now where do I go? So when back home, I was thinking about that. So my face was like blank, like a blank canvas, like it was just like, dude, what do I do? And my mother comes to me and she's like, what's the matter? And I said, so the sir said that aapko na wo dhoondna padega, wo reference. So think about, and my mother very nonchalantly, she was, I don't know, she was peas chil rahi thi wo, I think. वो करते करते बोलती है, हाँ तो खुद को देखो ना, खुद में ढूंढो ना वो लड़का.
Whoa.
When you said whether trans women live, and you know what I did? I did that because I was a tough ass boy.
Wow.
I found Rahul in Sushant.
You just had to tap into your divine masculine.
I did. And it was fantastic. Not to say that I am not a person of trans experience. But when we say that we have an amalgamation of both energies, वो मात्राएं कम ज्यादा हो सकती हैं.
yin
पर
yang.
टैप करना मुश्किल नहीं है.
But
आपको
tap
बस
करना
पता
बिल्कुल
होना है.
मुश्किल
तो
नहीं है.
because I think that rigidity you create for your own identity.
Exactly. और ये जो fluidity
Fluidity,
होती है,
exactly.
ये हम पैदा ही fluid होते हैं.
Yes.
You know, everybody has that in them. And an actor's job is to search that within your experiences. And if you don't have those lived experiences, as an actor of integrity, you must tell the director कि ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. ये क्या होता है ना आजकल, like it's like blackface. It's like when we say that a trans person should be given a trans character. It's that way only. अब आपके अगर lived experiences उस हद तक नहीं है, अगर आपको नहीं हो रहा ना, आपको बोलना चाहिए कि मुझसे नहीं होगा. Just because I'm trans, I should not be cast for a trans character if I don't understand, if I can't deliver it. I believe that even women should put their foot down, even men should put their foot down. You know, because when you're showing absolute rubbish and a fantasy or a fallacy that you are kind of reinstating time and again, and you're kind of enabling it for an entire generation. जो कहते हैं ना कि मुझे इस हीरो जैसे बनना है, they are not seeing उस हीरो के असल लाइफ में, असल जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है. They are saying you स्क्रीन पे जो उसके जैसे बनना है. But then they will beat women also for that matter, when they enable all such things. So I think that
Gratuitous. It's very gratuitous. They don't show character arc where the character develops and kind of
Break it down.
Break it down.
Just break it down, like
Yeah.
we break down conversations like
Yeah,
this. And that was when I said that yes, some of us go down there and we find the lived experience as a man. Why not?
This I really like point because it kind of just obliterates that you have to be one or the other. You can be accumulative because I think gender या sex जो है वो तो इंसान टांगों के बीच में ही देखता है ना. बट इमोशंस की तो कोई, आपने ही एक बात कही थी वो मुझे याद है, और आप ही ने कहा किसी पॉडकास्ट पे कही थी कि हंसी में भी लोग जेंडर ढूंढते हैं. आप
मैंने
मुझे
कहा,
बताया.
हाँ, मेरे एक टीचर ने बोला था मुझे. मैं जब मेरी अध्यापिका ने मुझे बताया था कि तो ये थे कि उनके जेंडर स्टीरियोटाइप्स जो थे, चेहरे पे हाथ लगा के हंसिए मत, ये सिर्फ लड़कियां करती हैं. अब हंसी में भी आपको ये तो मुझे बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आया. फिर मैं हंसने लगी, मतलब राक्षसों जैसे हंसने लगी. उसमें भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, को थोड़ी नजाकत से हंसो. अरे भैया मैं क्या, अब मैं
धीरे बात करो.
देखिए अब मैं तो हूँ सोप्रानो सिंगर हूँ. हाँ, आई सिंग ऑन द हाईएस्ट रजिस्टर. अब मैं धीरे से बात मैं कर सकती हूँ, मैं नजाकत, क्योंकि क्या है, हमने रेखा जी को देख के नजाकत सीखी है, मीना कुमारी जी को देख के, माधुरी जी को देख के सीखी है, दीपिका को देख के. तो अब वो आएगा, यू नो. बट ऑल्सो हम चटपटे भी बातें कर सकते हैं. आप जोर से भी बात क्यों नहीं करेंगे भैया?
क्यों नहीं करेगा?
आपको अगर तकलीफ हो रही है, आप निकलिए. आपके लिए कौन बात कर रहा है?
सही बात
You
है.
know, if you feel that if you feel discomforted, get out. जिस दरवाजे से आते हैं ना, उसी दरवाजे से एग्जिट है. उनको सिर्फ ऐसे करना है. निकल. बड़े होके लोगों को सिखाया जाता है ये इससे दूर रहना, उसके जैसे बन जाओगे, उसको घर मत बुलाना. ये सब हमको सिखाया जाता है. We are taught all this rubbish.
Yeah.
And I think you know what the beauty is in our journeys is when you unlearn and relearn. The amount of immense happiness that you experience कि भैया I had a misconception about
Yeah.
something.
That
That's
was
what
me
I-
once.
Yeah.
Now I have evolved. Wow.
And now.
Thank God I learned that lesson.
Yeah.
फिल्म्स की बात जहाँ तक आती है, आप भी एक्टर हैं, एक्ट्रेस हैं. So what kind of roles are you looking at playing in Bollywood?
मुझे तो लगता है कि as an artist you should do everything. You should give everything a shot. So मेरे हिसाब से मैं तो एकता कपूर की नागिन भी बन सकती हूँ. Imagine a transgender नागिन.
That would be
क्या बात है?
I would also be a Sanjay Leela doll. Why not?
why not?
Why
और
not?
उनको तो मैं तो बोलती हूँ, संजय सर को मैं बोल के मैं उनके घर पे जाके घर के बाहर जाके बैठती हूँ अभी. क्योंकि क्या है ना, उनका बहुत पैसे बचाऊंगी मैं, क्योंकि मैं एक्टिंग भी करूँगी, नाचूंगी भी और गाना भी मैं ही गाऊंगी.
उनका आपकी आवाज में भी एक अदा है, अदाकारी है, आपके अंदाज में है. संजय सर को तो लेना चाहिए यार, वो क्या कर रहे
देखिए
हैं?
देखिए बंसाली सर There's a person sitting here with all the skill sets.
That he has not
and
even
it's on
envisioned.
camera, on record, on Love Lingo in the studios right now. So this message should really reach you. She's right here. No. Yeah. And that's you.
Thank you. How sweet.
Love
Nahi,
you.
but hoga. See,
होगा
when the
ज़रूर.
time is right.
I'm feeling it. I'm telling you right
I
now. I
believe it.
feel it. You know, and हम आएंगे आपकी थिएटर में फिल्म देखेंगे.
अब
हम
बिल्कुल.
बॉलीवुड की तो बातें कर रहे हैं पर tell me something, Rani. Is like one myth about Bollywood that you would like to bust?
The myth about film or film stars, the fact that, you know, everything is rosy, everything is comfortable. I think there are so many things, and especially because in India, to our actors, cricketers, politicians, we godify them.
Yeah.
And everybody feels कि भैया नहीं लता दीदी के बारे में बात नहीं करने का,
हाँ.
सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में बात नहीं करने का, इसके बारे में बात नहीं, अमिताभ बच्चन के बारे में. अरे बट लोगों की अलग अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस होंगी,
Yes.
इसीलिए वो बात कर रहे हैं.
Right.
ऐसे हवे में तो नहीं कर रहे. And I don't care what people think about me after that. Is that अगर एक कैबरे गाना था तो मुझे अच्छा लगता कि आशा भोसले गाती. बट अगर एक
भजन.
अजीब दास्तां है, लता दीदी की आवाज में ही अच्छा लगती है, अच्छी लगती है. बट अगर पिया तू
Yeah.
है, अब तो आजा. Why? Because also Asha Tai has also experienced that. She has also kind of played with that genre of music, which is you know, pop music. She has dabbled in that. So obviously her voice will fit a certain song better than proof shit to anyone. I feel ashamed that we've not given Asha Bhosle the Bharat Ratna while she was with us.
That is unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Like she is one of the most versatile singers. उन्होंने रेशमाच्या रेघानी लाल काळा धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी कशी. See that there is a playfulness. कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हात नका लावू means don't touch my sari. हात नका लावू माझ्या साडीला.
Nice. Marathi?
Yes.
I love it.
What does fame reveal about a person's character?
I look at a person and understand a person's integrity by how they treat people around them. Like, especially, you know, when they have a boy helper or a makeup and hair team assistant, you know, people, DOPs, who are there to make sure that you look good. And then I'll see a tantrum or something like that. And I just feel sad for them. You have the position of power to actually do something in a way where it's like, you know, they'll make their day. And you choose to be this person wherein मैं कहती रहती हूँ, मुझे ना बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि आपको इतना टाइम कहाँ से मिल जाता है कि आप सारे कमेंट्स का रिप्लाई देते हो. मैंने कहा वो एक दिन मैंने वो भी देखा है जहाँ पर हम लोग तरसते थे एक कमेंट के लिए. You know what I love about Sushmita Sen, I'll tell you. Sushmita is one of the only people I have seen who is such an icon. You go to any of her posts and she will like every comment. Personally.
Yeah.
Personally, she does it.
She's
She doesn't
liked
have
my
a social.
comments. I've left a comment and
And she's
has.
liked it.
Yeah.
You leave it now, right now.
I
Yeah.
did. And she has.
I mean, that's because it's Sushmita and we've
Of
only seen.
course.
So I feel that, you know, these little things that, you know, of course, when you become famous, yes, you know, because you're doing so many things, plus you're you have your family, you have responsibilities, you have your home to go back to, you have multiple things to do. But, you know, even that one small gesture you give to your audience, they feel validated. They feel like, okay, we're cheering and we're being heard.
Yes.
You know, and I'll be very honest, as an artist, मैं तो तालियों के लिए perform करता हूँ.
Of course.
मैं ऐसे नहीं करती
You're
कि हाँ,
clear
enjoy.
in that.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So आपको दुनिया तालियां बजाएगी.
चाहे लोगों को हमारी तालियों से डर लगे ना लगे,
अरे.
हमको उनसे नहीं लगती. As an
क्या
artist,
बात
जब हम
है.
स्टेज पे रहते हैं, हम तो बोलते हैं जोर से बजाइए, हमको डर नहीं लगता आपके तालियों से.
Wow.
So I'm like बजाइए.
क्या बात है. तालियां तो बजनी चाहिए.
ये हुई बात.
I've always found a lot of wisdom in the idea of Shiva and Shakti.
Mm-hmm.
Not as man and woman, but just the energies. For me, it's those two energies. You know, I have met the most, I would say, the strongest people, but who are incredibly soft. And I've also met or I've spent time with people who are nurturing, like a lot of nurturers, but who are very powerful at the same time. What does Shiva Shakti mean to you beyond the religion?
I think when we refer to Shiva Shakti in a way where we're trying to explain to everybody that, and we're not trying to impose, as you said, right? Nobody should impose anything on anyone. It's a belief. But my thing is the center and the focal point of Shiv Shakti being even an idea is to say that everybody has male and female energy in them.
Hmm.
When you recognize this aspect of it, you can truly feel the power that, there is a cosmic...
Amplifies.
Yeah. There's the cosmos, right?
Right.
And then in that, there is all sorts of energy. And when you realize that within you there's so much, when you kind of experience that, like I said, now I'm very nurturing and stuff, but I also found that the emasculate self also within me, वो भी है, ये भी है. अब मैं अगर जाके वापस वो उस नजरिए से अपने आप को देख सकती हूँ, तो सभी कर सकते हैं ना. You have to internalize also sometimes. And from my own perspective and from my own lived experience, I can guarantee you that it is a very wonderful feeling. And also, nurture doesn't only come from the feminine. Because Kali was furious, right? And when she saw and when she allowed Shiva to become part of her, that calmed her down to then become Shakti.
Right.
Because Kali by herself was the creator and the destroyer.
Right.
So Kali is mother. We have been taught all nonsense. That is another thing I would like to tell people who don't know much, don't know enough to read about it a little bit. Kali was the creator and can be the destroyer, right? She has been tagged like नहीं काली का ये मत करो, काली से दूर रहो, ये काली is mother. आप माँ से कैसे दूर, माँ की ममता से कैसे दूर रह सकते हैं? सारे अवतार काली के हैं.
Yeah.
काली शक्ति बनी क्योंकि उन्होंने वो जो मासूमियत और वो एक सॉफ्टनेस बोलते हैं ना, वो उनको शिवा में देख. Why do you think भोलेनाथ बोलते हैं? Now the thing is, the amalgamation of both these energies is what created the Brahmand.
Right.
Everybody has those energies in
Right.
them. The fact that you are all encompassing and all inclusive within yourself. I don't need a Shiva to complete me. I am Shiva, I am Shakti, I
Kya
am
baat
Shiv
hai.
Shakti.
Super. How cool is
That is the coolest
And
part.
that awareness, you have that
is
awareness.
why they came together, na? Two entities coming together to show you that those two energies can be in you. Like, for example, when Mohini's character, no? So when Mohini, or whether it is Ila, when the king walked in that forest where there was a curse on that because Shiva and Parvati were making love by the river, and when Parvati comes out of the river after having a bath, she sees that these certain men, it was not this king, but there were certain people that were coming and they saw her. Nagna sthiti mein unhone dekh liya. So she went to Shiv and she said, ye ho gaya. So he very calmly, Bholenath na, calmly he said that, itne se tum kya darti ho? आज से जो भी मर्द इस जंगल से जाएगा, ताकि किसी भी स्त्री को ये वो प्रेशर ना हो, because it's nature. Why should you not enjoy nature? Why should you be scared? So whoever passes through this will automatically become a woman. So then you don't have to
power.
feel scared. So there's so many things which we learn about, and then the king that didn't know about this thing that was cast on this forest, he goes through it, trying to return to his kingdom after, doing whatever his escapades. Suddenly he sees him and his men have become women. But then instead of fighting it or whatever, he lives as Ila and goes back and is celebrated for that. It's very celebratory. So I think, we have wonderful stories.
I think the reason why Rani Kohinoor, the entity, is who she is in a full essence is clearly because you had this solid foundation, and that foundation was given to you by your parents.
Yes.
And I would say father specifically, because I have seen him and you, and I've seen the man he is.
Now that's a man.
Now that's a man.
Bravo,
Bravo.
bravo. And I think every man should learn
From him.
from him if they want to become a good human
ally,
being,
a good human being.
father, a good husband. I would say all
He's
inclusive.
top-notch.
Put him on the panel of the people who is making these decisions.
वो तो पहले उनको ही निकाल देंगे. My father is like that. So my father told me that, it should be because he's a man and he has seen that the patriarchy was very obviously during his time also. He was the one who broke it and said, this ends with me.
Wow.
This generational trauma must
ends
end
here.
with me.
How
When
cool.
not before I was born. My mother said, I'm not going to stop working. Because my mother was also diva. Hai. She's a rock star. I'm a Bangalore chick. Huh? I'm not stopping. I'm a fucking national
I know
level
it.
champion. And so are you. So I like it that we are both sports people. मेरी already 2 बार engagement हो चुकी है, टूट चुकी है. मेरे पापा को ऐसे My father was like, "Whoa." And she's like, yeah, but at the end of the day, I mean, I like you. I think you're a cool guy. And I think we can make a life. And here they are celebrating 42 years together. And, I think we did pretty well. I have had wonderful
Wow.
representation of men.
Prototype of
men.
men from your family should be
Is
kind of
absolutely because
reproduce
what-
a lot.
Yeah, because what I feel is like in a world where conversation about men, to me, it sometimes feels very one-dimensional. And then I hear you talk about what was refreshing for me. What I found refreshing was that you were like, I am a cheerleader for men. I just feel one thing that people get wrong about men.
I feel, what is ridiculous that men have to be at the receiving end of
All the time.
is that all the time they are burdened to take care of the family, provide. Okay, yes, there are men who enjoy doing it, but the fact now it's a two-edged sword, double-sided, double-edged sword, right?
That's why they die young also.
That is why they get coronary diseases because they are all the time suppressing their emotions. वो उनके साथ बात कोई नहीं करता, उनकी बात कोई सुनता नहीं है. वो जब भी आते हैं तो ऐसा उनको प्रिटेंड करना पड़ता है कि दे आर वो मतलब उनकी सहन शक्ति होनी चाहिए. आपने कभी किसी लड़के के साथ बैठ के उसको पूछा है तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था? आज आपने काम पे क्या किया? आपको किस बात से खुशी मिली आज? आपने कभी बात किया है ऐसे किसी भी मर्द हमारे बिकॉज वी फील दैट ही हैंडल इट. उसके इमोशंस आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. ये क्या बात हुई भाई? ये भी तो गलत है.
ये गलत है.
ये बहुत गलत है. एंड बिकॉज यू मेक देम सो हार्ड एंड से कि आपको बात करने की भी हम लोग एक स्पेस नहीं देंगे, उस वजह से वो इंटरनलाइज कर करके एक दिन ब्लास्ट हो जाते हैं. वो चले ही जाते हैं. एंड देन पीपल आर सेइंग अरे लड़के इतने यंग एज पे मर रहे हैं, उनको 25 साल का लड़के को हार्ट अटैक आ गया, 28 साल के लड़के को हार्ट अटैक आ गया. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उनके साथ बात भी नहीं किया है. वो कितना सप्रेस करेंगे भाई? लाइफस्टाइल होती है, बट वो लाइफस्टाइल भी क्यों उनकी उतनी बिगड़ी हुई है? क्योंकि प्रोवाइड करते इतनी छोटी उम्र. Is this an age to go? But why we are not talking about all these things also? This is
Also, because there's this deep social conditioning that even men don't question themselves and their
that's
emotions.
another thing, no? Because they are taught not to.
And not
This
just
enabling happens from them also. Another thing is I would like to tell all my boys and men that we are not, nobody's against you. We are all in this together. We come from a man and a woman. Na? The other, I'll tell you another thing also. The reason, and someone had asked me, what is your purpose? What do you think a trans person's purpose is, right? So I said, it's a very arbitrary question, but I think my purpose, subjective to my life, is to make you realize that you will not ask this to. So
Kya
my
baat hai.
purpose reminds you that gender is not binary.
killed it with that.
My purpose is to make you realize, now when you say that it is not binary, that so when gender is not binary, so are emotions. Emotions are universal. They're not binary.
I wanted to find out an emotion that only men have and that women don't.
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't.
Yeah,
Because
and I can tell you because I've played both sides. Yeah, and I've represented all the pronouns under the rainbow. Now I have represented all effectively. And as a he, as I was lived as a he, I can tell you one thing, that men can be the most wonderful friends, but we must give them the leeway to express. I think when you let a man express himself freely is when you will realize that, wow, there's so much more to him.
So, what makes a man emotionally attractive?
In bed.
For me,
Include that. Yeah, let's hear it all.
in an emotional intelligence is a turn on for sure. I just think that when they're emotionally available, I think to be present in the here and now. When you're present in the here and now is very attractive. I think that means that you're available.
And I think you will know that man has done work, inner work.
Yeah.
And that's the kind of
It's
man
that-
you
that
would
will
be
reflect.
attracted to, right? If
Yes.
I'm not mistaken.
या मुझे लगता था कि वो machismo men जो है alpha male वही है जो मतलब can take my energy because I'm also an alpha. Then I dated a man who was so emotionally intelligent, and I was like, गया वो खत्म हो गया.
That's why I
वो
don't have a
जो
type. Like you said.
misconception होता.
I'm telling you, I met a couple of guys and जो equity की fight कर रहा है. He's fighting for equity. He's married and he's fighting for an equitable marriage and giving that. So ऐसे लोग
Yeah, that's very
you-
orgasmic.
है ना?
That is.
And
I mean, not if he's married. Huh?
no. In the
But if he's
आप
married,
समझे?
then
His
no.
thoughts are
बहन,
definitely.
दीदी, हाय
and
sorry.
आप यकीन करें
आप रखिए, but हम उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे दूर से.
आप यकीन कीजिए और जो उनके खिलाफ ज्यादातर लोग हैं कौन है? औरतें.
देखो.
Do you understand?
Even men, when they look at men like this also, why will they attack with people? अरे तू मर्द बनना, तू हैं?
मर्द बनना क्या होता है?
What is this rubbish?
औरत बनना क्या होता है?
हाँ, मैंने कहा ये क्या
Ridiculous
बकवास है. मतलब मर्द के भी various angles. So the thing is, when she said that they also have to take onus. They also have
Their
to take.
agency.
Why you are attacking another man?
Yeah.
अब ये भी आपको हिजड़ों से प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि आपको देखना है हमारे पल्लू के पीछे क्या है, हमारे इसके नीचे क्या है, हमारे उसके बाजू में बगल में क्या है. फिर आपको औरतों से प्रॉब्लम है कि औरत आजकल मर्दानी बनती जा रही हैं. जब तक आप अपना नजरिया नहीं बदलोगे, नजारा नहीं बदलेगा.
So we have this segment on our episode. It's called Phone a Feeling. You can see there's a phone. There's a retro phone right
I
in
like
the
what it's
middle.
called, phone a feeling.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
And for all our listeners who are not watching but listening in right now, picture a retro phone resting in the center between the three of us on a coffee table, Rani, Ursula, and Jas. And in a moment, I would want Rani to pick up the phone, dial in, make a call, make that call that you haven't made. And this is your opportunity.
That's something left unsaid that you would want to probably say.
Yes, so here's your opportunity to do that. It could be anything from the past, present, future.
Or to
It's-
anyone.
Or to anyone.
You want to pass on the phone?
Yes.
Can you reach?
Okay. Oh, yes. I love it. Okay. I think we're going to do a con call.
Oh.
Ooh, sounds
Okay.
interesting. Con call.
We're going to do a conference call. Okay. We ready?
Yeah, yes.
And I have to say this. So I am calling the various people that have come before me from the community. I just want to say that thank you for laying the foundation so that today we can walk with pride. And thank you for reminding us. And I take it up as my onus to continue this tradition to remind people that Pride is definitely a celebration, but it's a celebration today because of people like you that paved the way for us, and we can breathe freely, and we will always fight the good fight. And your sacrifices are not going to go unnoticed. And yes, I hope I can be a fraction of what you were to us. And I can pass that on to the future generations so that we can take care of ourselves and our children. So, thank you.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but
Can I give you a hug?
yeah.
मैं भी आ जाऊं यार रुक जा यार
मुझे भी आना है सारे में एक
sorry no spoiling you
No, I just think that people have given so much of themselves. And there are so many people that are unsung heroes, sheroes.
unsung heroes. Yep.
And they've really literally laid their lives down for us. And whether they are men, women, trans people, human beings, flesh and blood, have given up that their life so that we can live freely. So I think we should uphold that.
And you are certainly upholding it so beautifully with so much dignity
and beauty
and beauty.
and aesthetic
Everything. Like, look at the package.
look at the package मतलब मेरे ख्याल से दुनिया वेट कर रही थी कि आप आएं और फिर आगे बढ़ाएं आपका भी I mean, you know, I love you and I loved you before I even met you. ये भी हो सकता है.
That's a nice line, huh?
I enjoy watching the two of you because I don't know how many people probably know this. In fact, I saw Bonita, and when Bonita expressed on her social media, I'm so proud of Bonita, I must say. She's one of the first and youngest trans women of trans experience. Let me say that. That is a more proper way of putting it. She's a woman of trans experience. So happens that she's a woman of trans experience. But more than that, I think she has outdone herself. And I think we're so proud of her as a community. And, as I get emotional.
Oh. Anna, good के आना
Oh my God. This...
यार please
Ajao, come.
please just come. Oh, this is the beauty when someone takes the name in the first Aja.
Bad job.
Bad job.
Aww. Now this is beauty.
This is
beauty.
So I had such a, I mean, I can go on and on about you, but you have no idea. Even when you were just existing, as you said, ki your existence is activism. It was activism. Because I remember when I was in my village and like there was nobody around me who could affirm me. And when I would see you on screen, I felt like I can also go somewhere. I can be myself. I can express myself. And, to come from that space, you have changed lives. And I want you to feel like so proud of yourself just when you get that call. You are doing that. You are doing that to my life and a lot of other girls' life and a lot of other people's lives. So,
Wow. Wow.
Beauty.
I love you.
यहीं बैठ
You
यार.
deserve love. You are important. You are valid. And may I just say, you are phenomenal. You are worthy of everything that you get and is in your in our capacity to give, of course, but also please know that the universe is so ready for you to take over.
Wow.
Okay.
That's all you need to hear.
That's all
That's
you need
all
to
you
hear.
need to hear.
And
What
we are
what
here.
Rani just
We
said.
are always going to be here
Yeah.
for you, and you're just a call away. You know that. I've always already told you that.
I know.
But I'm so proud of you to be spearheading a movement even within the mainstream as a filmmaker, as a creative director, as a person, as a human being, as an actor, as an activist. You do it all, and at such a young age, I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. And I would not be here without you.
Oh, please.
I would not be here without the incredible support that I got. So, thank you for paving the path for me.
Rani, thank you.
Thank you.
मैं दिल खोल के
भी-
दिखा देती अगर वाकई में.
सच में मतलब दिल जो धड़कन है दिल है
वो
जो
रूह
है हर चीज जो मेरी जो एग्जिस्टेंस है अभी इतनी आई एम सो glad and happy that we got this opportunity with you to sit here, witness you.
Thank you.
Thank you for, educating me in so many ways.
Even me.
And like you said, you love to learn. I also love to learn and unlearn and relearn.
Yes.
That's my thing as well. So every opportunity I get to learn from another human being, it's like that day for me is like a bonus day. Like I have
Yes.
मैंने कुछ हासिल किया. I'm going to go back. I'm going to think about things and I'm going to integrate. That's my work.
That's
My
beautiful.
inner work that I have to do.
Yes.
आपने जो एनर्जी कॉन्सेंट्रेट
Yeah.
करी है ना यहाँ, थैंक यू, वी आर
Thank you.
ब्लेस्ड.
No, I
आपने-
must thank you. Thank you.
दिलो
for-
दिलो जान से,
दिलो जान
सच
से
में.
हम ब्लेस्ड हैं.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching us. Please send all your love to these wonderful divas and these queens. And I must tell you, the people working also behind the scenes have worked so hard, right from art to lights. See how well lit we are. There's light from everywhere. It looks like we're sitting out in the sun, but we're not. So, and then everyone on sound. You know, our head of sound is a girl. I love that. Here's to girl power, Mishti. Fantastic. Love you. All of the girls and boys and everybody, theys, thems, everyone on this set. I love you all. Thank you very much. Let's make love.
Pop again. Again.
And again.
And again. And a little more.
I'm going to leave you with a song, na?
हाँ.
आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसे बहारों में ले चलूं. आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसे बहारों में ले चलूं. आओ हुजूर आओ, हम राज हम ख्याल तो हो, हम नजर बनो, तय होगा जिंदगी का सफर, हम सफर बनो. आहा हा, आहा हा, चाहत के उजले उजले बहारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसे बहारों में ले चलूं. आओ हुजूर तुमको सितारों में ले चलूं, दिल झूम जाए ऐसे बहारों में ले चलूं. आओ हुजूर